Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is Shamila, your teacher, with the topic of fractions. And in fractions, we will be adding fractions today. In addition of fractions, we will do the addition of like fractions. It means the fractions that has same denominators. Now, in front of you, there are two fractions. The first one is 2 over 7 and the second one is 4 over 7. As the denominators are same, so we are not going to do anything on the denominators. We will just write it once and we are going to add the numerators only. So 2 plus 4 will give you 6. So the fraction will become 6 over 7. Now coming to the addition of fractions with unlike denominators, it means the denominators are different, so the fractions are unlike. Now how are we going to solve it? 3 over 5 plus 4 over 7. As you can see, 5 and 7, both the denominators are different. So first of all, we will make the fraction like fraction. How we will do this? We are going to multiply the denominator of second fraction, that is 7, with the first fraction, that is 3 over 5, and we are going to multiply the denominator of the first fraction, that is 5, with the second fraction. How we are going to solve it then? 3 sevens are 21, 4 fives are 20. So 21 plus 20 will give you 41. Similarly, in the denominator, 5 sevens are 35. Both the numbers are 35 in the denominator, so we are going to write them only once. Now this is the solution of the fractions with different denominators. Moving on to addition of fractions with a whole number. If we have to add with the whole number, how are we going to do it? Now, first of all, the first step will be conversion of the whole number into fraction by putting 1 in its denominator. If nothing is written in the denominator, it means the denominator is 1. Now you can see that 5 and 1, both the denominators are different. So first of all, we are going to make them like fractions. So the denominator of second fraction, that is 1, we are going to multiply it with the first fraction, and the denominator of first fraction, that is 5, will be multiplied with the second fraction. So 3 over 5 multiplied by 1 will give you 3 over 5, but 4 into 5 will give you 20. So 20 plus 3 in the numerator will give you 23. In the denominator you have 5. Both the numbers are 5. So we are going to write them only once. So this is the way how to solve, how to perform addition. Now coming to the home assignment. What is your home assignment? Two questions are in front of you. I want you people to copy them down on your practice notebook so that you can do the practice and perform the addition. If you have any question related to it, if you face any problem, you can ask me at my email ID. Thank you very much.